Today we're going to show you how to install lids onto our front loads and quad pocket dumpsters. Tools you'll need is a 3/8 drive, hex. We have one attached to an impact wrench to make the job easier. All the dumpsters come with a 3/8 pipe plug, actually a 1/2 inch pipe plug with a 3/8 drive. Basically, just unscrew the pipe plug. Pull out the hinge rod. Place the lid in position. Reinsert the hinge rod to hold the lid into place. Grab the second lid. Repeat the same process. Rod all the way into place. Screw back in the plug.